Do you think you're being professional? Well, actually, what you may be doing is killing your charisma. Charisma is all about authenticity. It's about being yourself, not reining yourself in, not trying to fit into some mold or model of the way that you think people expect you to be. It's not about being buttoned up. It's not about holding everything back. Charisma is about a certain amount of energy. It's about warmth. It's about personality. It's not about perfectionism. In fact, charisma often sits in the mistakes, the bloopers, those things that didn't go quite right. Because we all respond very warmly to people who let us see that authenticity, that vulnerability, that willingness to own up to their mistakes. That's often where charisma sits. Don't try not to disconnect from your audience. It's very easy to think, oh, I need to be professional, therefore I'm going to stand still and I'm going to talk in a very particular way. And you can see straight away you start to lose that charisma. Just be yourself. Business in this day and age is much less formal than it used to be. Business presentations are much less formal than they used to be. And it allows you to bring your authentic self, that charismatic self, to every single presentation you give. Remember, presentation is warmth plus presence plus energy. Bring all those things and people will start to see you as charismatic. If people think all they're getting is a performance because I'm now in presenting mode, that's never going to be charismatic. So think about finding a charismatic way of presenting, honing that, but that doesn't mean you're going to be unprofessional. In fact, I would go so far as to say now, people want charisma, they want informality, and that's going to make you a far more effective communicator. If you want more tips on charisma when you're presenting, do like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you're notified next time I post new content. Come back next time and we'll start looking at how you can be a more charismatic speaker.